really that's just the study into the physical properties of any liquid, varying different viscosities and densities, to try and understand more about how fluids work and how we can then apply that to back on Earth. Over. I'm very grateful to get it sent up, and I assure you it probably wasn't a better picture than the one you got back on Earth. Every time we change over satellites up here, the picture drops out, and that can sometimes be for about 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm sure you had a better picture on Earth. Over. Enjoy our physical training. It's a bit of a break in the day from our other work, and so we're able to go, and it's quite nice to be able to burn off some energy. And also, our physical training takes place near the cupola window, so it's a chance to be able to work out and look out the window at the same time. Over. 2 weeks, I hope to be feeling pretty good and feeling back to normal, although it will actually take up to 1, maybe 2 years for my bone density to fully recover from this 6-month mission to space. Over. We get an idea of losing strength versus gaining strength. Standing up and walking. Over. Space station when we depressurize the airlock and takes it almost to vacuum, and then we do lose a little bit of air just for the last portion going to vacuum, and then when we repressurize the airlock, we take the extra air that was pumped into the space station and use that to repressurize the airlock.
There is where Tim was when he was talking to us. So that is the Columbus module. That's the science lab. It's the European part of the science lab. The European part of the space station. There's lots of other science labs that are owned by NASA or the Japanese or the Russians. But that's where Tim was when he was talking to us just a minute ago. So, do you mind clicking there? So that's it close up. You can see it's a cylinder, and then if we click again, we can see what it looks like inside, the fisheye view of it, and if we click again, we can see how tidy and organised it is. So yeah, it does look a bit of a mess, but there's so much going on in there. You've got all those white stowage bags full of experiments and payloads, and then all the wires and computers and everything kind of keeping the space station, keeping all the experiments in Columbus running with power and all the things that they need for the experiments.